What up guys, it's Adrian from YouMotorcycle, and in today's video we're going to be using Triumph's service manual to do an oil change on that bike right over there, the Triumph Bonneville SE. This is going to apply to pretty much any of those 865cc Triumph engines, whether it's the Bonneville SE, the T100, the Thruxton, or even the Scrambler. Format of the video is I'm going to alternate between showing you guys what is going on in the service manual and showing you guys what I'm going to be working on the bike. So for starters, and this is also how we're going to finish it, is the oil level check. Basically, they want you to run the bike for 5 minutes, just at idle. Let it sit for 3 minutes, that's so that the oil cools down. And then you're going to check the oil level with the bike totally upright and make sure that the level is somewhere between the max and the min. If it's below min, you were probably burning oil or need to add more oil in. If it was over max, you were overfilled, got to get some oil out of there. Once your bike's been warmed up and you know if you've been burning oil or not, we're going to go ahead and drain the oil. So to do that, they want you to get the drain sub pump and just take that out. They also say it's going to come with a sealing washer. They don't want you to reuse the washer, they want the washer to be thrown out. The next thing you're going to want to get rid of is the oil filter. So locate that oil filter and take it off. Just wait a few minutes while all the oil drains out of your motorcycle. While that's happening, you grab your new oil filter and get some clean oil, dip it on your finger, and just rub it around the surface of the seal of the new oil filter. And we want that oil there because it's going to stop the oil filter from getting seized onto the engine casing, which is just going to be a total pain in the butt the next time you want to do your oil filter. So make sure you lubricate your new filter. Now that all your oil's drained out, it's time to put everything back together. So grab your fresh sealing washer, grab your drain plug, put them back in. You are going to tighten them to 25 Newton meters. That's the torque specification. The reason why I use a torque wrench is because it allows me to set my wrench to 25 Newton meters so I won't over tighten it and risk damaging my motor, and I won't under tighten it and risk having a leak. Once I feel a click in my wrench, that's how I know I got to 25 Newton meters. I don't have to worry anymore. Once we're done that, set your torque wrench back to 0. Next, set it to 8 to 12 Newton meters and install your fresh oil filter. Now that your drain plug and your oil filter are back in, your bike's empty, so make sure you definitely do not start it. Pour your fresh oil in. Personally, I use a funnel because otherwise I would make a total mess of everything. And I'll put my preferred oil and where I got it from both on the screen and a link to it in the description box underneath this video. After that, the manual just says to restart the bike and make sure that after a moment your oil pressure warning light does come off. If it doesn't, turn the bike off right away. You probably don't have enough oil in there. And from that point on, you're just going to kind of go back to where you started and do your oil level check and just make sure that your oil level isn't too high or too low. If it is too high, take off your drain plug a little bit, let some oil out. If it's too low, add some more oil till you get it just right. And that's really all there is to it, guys. It's pretty easy to do this yourself if you have a torque wrench, if you have some basic tools at your place. This is how you do it as per Triumph's own service manual, which means that this is how you do it basically by the book as a dealer should be doing it. You can save a bunch of money though by doing it yourself. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will be happy to help you guys out, and please hit subscribe if you appreciate the video and you want to help me grow my channel. It allows me to basically make more content aimed at helping motorcyclists. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ride safe. Peace.